This tutorial will walk you through the steps to regrading student work. First, log into your account, click on Assignments in the side panel, and then assign an assignment to a class. Here, I am going to have this student type in the correct answer, and I'm going to submit it. We can see that they received the 1 point. Okay, and a quick retry. Here, when they went in after the fact and the points were updated, we can see the new points. Also, if they got the original response incorrect, then we go in on the teacher's end and we would also change. For example, if they typed in A and it was supposed to be A and we had to go in after the fact and change this, that will not update the student's grade. So you can see the 0 is still there, even though the possible answer is A. Okay, so then we go in and we have to update that point. Student answered A, we have to update that point for that specific student. If you need to override more than one student, you don't have to do this individually. You can click the override all, type in the override points, and click apply, and that will update all of the students within that assignment. If you make updates and students are still working on the assignment, those updates will take effect for the students that have not submitted, as long as you ask your students to refresh their assignment after you click save once you have updated your edits. And you will only have to override submitted assignments. I'm going to go in and change this to 20 points. They got the 50 points. We will be able to update on the spot, and here the points will update, the score will update, and we will have to go in and just fix the point values that were applied originally. So anytime there are individual questions that are updated, we can go into each individual question and update that. If I want to delete a question, I can delete that question, save, and then I can update, and we can see that that will instantly update the grade as well. When an override is completed on the teacher's end, here is the student's display. You can see that the override is displayed and there is an override token to make the student aware. So that is how you can regrade or override grades in the gradebook when changes are made to student assignments after grading in AulaViva.